Good morning and thank you for joining us. Our morning outlook will focus on the dollar-yen, recent developments, and its potential impact on the markets. Let's hear from Greg in our trading room.
The dollar-yen pair has added 0.3% in the last session. The ADX is warming up and is currently positive. Bitcoin has fallen 0.6% in the last session. The ATR has shifted into low volatility territory. The price of gold has lost 1.6% in the last two sessions. The RSI has bounced upwards into the neutral zone. The price of crude oil has fallen 1.9% in the last session. Stochastic has transitioned sharply into the negative zone.
Thank you for sharing with us. Now let's hear from our news department.
European stocks edged higher amid upbeat earnings reports from UK's Tesco and Germany's Dialog Semiconductor. Ripple's Chris Larsen threatened to leave the US if the country's stance on crypto doesn't soon change. The Aussie dollar pair broadly tracks the recent weakness in risk appetite as the Reserve Bank of Australia interest rate decision sparks a limited reaction.
Thank you. Now let's hear today's most important economic events.
The UK industrial production will be released at 600 GMT, the Swiss unemployment rate at 545 GMT, the UK manufacturing production at 600 GMT, the UK GDP at 600 GMT, the Canadian unemployment rate at 1230 GMT, and the Canadian participation rate at 1230 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.